In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Jotform to create an appointment request form that's not just efficient, but also tailor-made to cater to your specific needs. Let's dive right in, starting with accessing the form builder. First, you'll want to navigate to the appointment request form in the Jotform form builder. If you're not familiar with Jotform, it's a versatile tool that allows you to create custom forms for virtually any purpose, whether it's for organizing events, collecting data, or scheduling appointments like we are today. The form builder interface is intuitive, so once you're there, you should see a variety of options to help you get started with customizing your form. Now that we're in the form builder, the next step is to head over to the settings of your form. This is where the magic really begins to happen, as settings will allow you to fine-tune and personalize your form to suit your specific requirements. You can find the Settings tab typically at the top navigation bar within your form builder interface. Clicking on this will open up further options that govern how your form operates and interacts with your respondents. Within the Settings menu, we're going to focus on an incredibly powerful feature called Conditions. This is the feature that elevates your forms from simple data collection tools to dynamic, responsive online forms. Conditions allow you to set rules on how your form behaves based on user input. To start working with conditions, simply click on the Conditions tab. Once here, you'll see that you can create rules that control when certain sections of your form appear, how they respond to inputs, and even what happens upon submission. This level of customization can significantly enhance user experience and efficiency. Next, you'll need to select the specific condition you want to apply to your form. This decision depends largely on what you'd like your form to accomplish. For instance, you might want to show a specific question only if a previous answer meets certain criteria, or perhaps you want to automatically send an email confirmation once the form is submitted. Spend some time thinking about what will deliver the best experience for your users and meet your objectives. That's it. With these steps, you've set up a dynamic appointment request form using Jotform. Remember, the key to making the most of Jotform's capabilities lies in understanding the needs of your users and using conditions effectively to create a seamless experience. Whether you're gathering information for scheduling or managing appointment requests, leveraging these features